I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by locating the exact x value where you want the limit. This is essential. Once located, zoom in mentally to the left and right neighborhoods, because limits concern approaches, not isolated values. Make sure to identify any holes, vertical asymptotes, or sudden jumps visible on the graph. These will change how you interpret the left-hand and right-hand behavior. As you start, note the scale and units so you can compare small movements accurately. Now you analyze the left-hand approach first. Follow the curve as x approaches the target from smaller values and estimate the y value trend. Then do the same from the right side. Once done, directly compare the two approach values because a limit exists only if they match. If both sides head to the same finite number, that's the limit. If one side diverges or they differ, the two-sided limit fails. Use small subdivisions to refine your estimate. You finish by announcing the two-sided limit when both approaches agree. Say the numeric value clearly and explain why the left and right match. If they do not match, report the left-hand and right-hand limits separately and conclude the two-sided limit does not exist. If you see wild oscillation or values running toward infinity, state divergence toward plus or minus infinity. If results seem off, make sure to recheck the graph scale, hidden holes, or nearby asymptotes before finally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.